Okay, now we talk about the sequin texture function. First, we make some sequins. And we set the spacing. We hold Alt and the 4 direction icons to copy it quickly. The sequin texture function is mainly used to make letters and patterns in large area sequence. Suppose we want to make a pattern in this area. First, we make a certain area of sequence. Okay. After finishing, we need to select this and make it into a sequin texture line. And then we set the properties. You can set and then you can check the effect. Now we set it at sequin B mode. And then we can check the effect. We select the sequin texture. The sequin will change the sequence which we set. In addition, the sequin texture can also operate the non-closed single segment sequence. Here also we set the sequence type texture line, set the properties. And then we click on the sequin texture, and then it will be okay.